NETGEAR Orbi Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System, RBK12, router replacement covers up to 3,000 square feet with one router, one satellite. No more dead zones. Whole home mesh Wi-Fi coverage of up to 3,000 square feet. Mesh technology helps you stay connected as you roam around home using a single network name. Works with all internet providers. Replace your existing Wi-Fi router, separate modem or gateway required. Compatible with any internet provider, including cable, satellite, fiber, DSL, and more. Wired Ethernet port. Plug in computers, game consoles, streaming players, and other nearby wired devices with a 1 Gigabit Ethernet port. Fast wireless speed. AC1200 Wi-Fi powers up to 1.2 gigabits per second of streaming HD video, gaming, or internet surfing and downloads. NETGEAR ARMOR protects your family's Wi-Fi with an automatic shield of security across all your connected devices with a 30-day free trial. Parental controls. Ensure a safe, online experience for your kids by using NETGEAR Smart Parental Controls with a 30-day free trial. Easy setup and manage. Set up Wi-Fi in minutes with the Orbi app, manage Wi-Fi settings, test and monitor speed. Top reviews from the United States. It works perfectly fine. The Orbi system works perfectly fine. I have a NETGEAR modem as well and everything is great, no signal issues.